feel. I'm going at you cause you used to be my friend. You stole out, took me out like a little punk. You sold me out just for a little chunk. Relentless, and I'm coming at you real fast. Understand this, I'm not gonna miss when I fire off my shotgun. Bam, bam, you took me to the hoop band. You scored a blow real low, took me down. You said you were my friend, then you messed around. You threw me out down the river like a piece of junk. Well, now look at your ass jump. My dog gets cocked and is pointing at your dome. Do you understand? Nowhere to run. I'm coming fist and spot ya, cause I'm relentless, gonna get ya. There's no Superman, nobody can take you down. There's no Superman, no hero flying from the clouds. There's no Superman, nobody can take you down. There's no Superman, no hero, no, not now. There's no Superman. Here I come again. I once played you out like you were my friend. You stepped off the rail and I caught ya. You turn your back then, bam bam on ya. Look back, caught by surprise. Understand the fierceness behind my eyes, cause I'm pissed and I'm tired of being sold out by little motherfuckers, no doubt. I stood above and I took it as long as I could, and I did everything any good man would. Tried to be your best friend down anytime you needed someone, man. There's no Superman, nobody can take you down. There's no Superman, no hero flying from the clouds. There's no Superman, nobody can take you down. There's no Superman, no hero, no, not now. There's no Superman, there's no Superman, there's no relentless. You were my boy, you had my best. I took things and I put you to the test. I thought you passed, you were the man, yo.